Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by checking essentials: boots snug, blades sharp, and a quick 5–10 minute warm-up. Once done, stand with knees bent and weight centered over the ball of each foot. Shift your hips slightly forward so you can roll onto an edge without collapsing. Make small 1–2 second leans to feel the inside and outside edges. This builds the muscle memory you need. Do not rush. Repeat short holds until you feel a consistent edge contact under each blade. You now work the complex middle steps by linking balance with movement. Practice slow 8s and 3s, focusing on pushing through the toe and rolling to the desired edge. This teaches directional pressure. Once done, trace semicircles and hold the apex for 1–2 seconds so you can sense edge bite. Make sure to keep your knee aligned over your toe and your hips tracking forward. This prevents ankle collapse. Progressively increase lean in 10–20 degrees. You finish by linking edge transitions into flowing patterns and controlled stops. Start slow, then smoothly transfer weight from one foot to the other, initiating each turn with a compact knee bend and subtle hip rotation. This creates continuous, reliable edges. Once done, practice gradual inside edge digs to stop without skidding. If you feel slipping or unpredictable bite, check blade sharpness and boot fit immediately. Resurface or tighten as needed. A quick troubleshooting tip: if edges chatter, reduce lean and rebuild pressure gradually to restore clean contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.